everybody. So for my health intervention, I chose to utilize the health belief model as my theory. This theory is composed of 6 constructs. So perceived susceptibility is a person's belief or perception of the risk of acquiring a disease or illness. So whether they think they're susceptible to getting the illness. Next is perceived severity. So a person's belief or feelings about the seriousness of getting that illness or disease. So whether they weigh the consequences as pretty serious or if they find them to be not super high risk. The next one is perceived benefits. So that's a person's belief about the effectiveness of the action. So in this case, my intervention. So their belief about the effectiveness of the intervention and how it will benefit them, whether it will cure the illness or not, etc. Next is perceived barriers. So that is what a person believes the obstacles are to utilizing this intervention or performing the recommended actions. Cues to action means that the benefits need to kind of outweigh the negative aspects, the severity and etc. And then the self-efficacy is a big part of this, and it is whether a person is going to perform the desired behavior based on all the other aspects of this.